Welcome back. My name is Kelly and welcome to the Diva Den, where I like to talk all things home related. So today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite cleaning products from 2017 that I plan to use in 2018. There's a wide range of things from floor cleaners to Granite to stovetop. So there might be something for everyone in there. You might find something new that you'd like to try. Before I go any further, I would like to say that all these products were purchased by myself. I'm not sponsored by anybody to say any of this stuff. These are just my personal opinions. They're just things that I have found have really worked well for me this past year. So without any further ado, let's get into it, shall we? The first one is Method. You've probably seen a lot of their stuff in the stores. They're being sold everywhere. So I've tried a bunch of their different products, and two that I'm really enjoying is the glass cleaner. I really like it. It really does a nice job, and it smells so good. It smells almost peppermint, like peppermint. It smells so good, but I find it really does a nice job on glass and on mirrors. Really loving that. The other Method cleaner that I love is this Granite cleaner. It does a fantastic job. It doesn't leave any film, and the Granite just shines. So I use that in my kitchen and in one of my bathrooms that has a Granite countertop. I love this stuff, and it smells wonderful too, but it just does such a nice job. I'm going to continue using the Method. These two methods. I'm going to continue that in 2018. Okay, so the next cleaner I have is Mrs. Meyer's. This is harder to find right now in Canada. A select few stores have it, and we don't get as many of the variations of scents that maybe fragrances that maybe you do down in the US. But Mrs. Meyer's, this is the all-purpose cleaner in lavender. Love this stuff. Not only does it smell phenomenal, but I love the way it works on every surface. Not as much on glass. I haven't loved it as much on mirrors. I should say mirrors. Glass, I find it does a really good job, but on everything. And this fragrance is wonderful. Now the other one that I love of Mrs. Meyer's is their dish soap, and I've just run out, so I don't have a bottle of it, but it's in the Basil scent. Oh, I love that stuff. Like the dish soap really cuts the grease. I'm finding it really does cut the grease. Love it, and the smell is great. I just wish I could get, I see all these YouTubers go, oh, they get the, the peppermint, the candy cane scent at Christmas, or they get the apple, cinnamon, pumpkin one in the fall. I wish we could get them here. So if you're listening, Mrs. Meyer's, please send it up to Canada. We would love to have it. But the Mrs. Meyer's products are wonderful. I really do enjoy them, and they're phenomenal products, and the fragrances are wonderful. So yeah, I really like those. Now these next three products aren't a cleaning product, but they help with the cleaning. So the first one is these blue paper towels. You get them in the automotive section. I found them at Walmart in the automotive section, and a local a hardware store in the automotive section. But these paper towels are fantastic. When they're wet, they don't tear. You can use one sheet and do a bunch of cleaning with it. They don't rip, they don't shred. They actually don't even leave a lint film. Sometimes if you use a white paper towel, like just a regular paper towel, when you're cleaning, it'll leave like a lint on it, on the surface. These don't. They do a great job. So not only do I get these for my husband for his car, because he loves to clean his car in the summer, I've started buying them for the house because they really are phenomenal. Love these blue paper towels. Sorry, this is my last one. I don't remember the name of them, but check the automotive section. They have them there. The next thing I love, Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. They are magic. Need I say more? Use these on everything. I've started using them on my glass stovetop. Does a wonderful job on that. These are just all around great tool for all kinds of surfaces. They're great for the wall, to get little marks off the wall. They're great to, like I said, for my glass ceramic surface on my stovetop. They're great. Magic erasers, Mr. Clean. Love them. Now this is a new thing I got for Christmas time, and I've only just been using it, but I can already tell it's going to be a favorite. It doesn't have a name, and I got it at a local hardware store as well. And it's these sponges. They're kind of funky, kind of cute, but I wish you could feel these. Like, they're very rough, and it's a European make, but they're good for, it says on the tag that came with it, it said they're good for your glass stovetop, good on, won't scratch stainless steel, won't scratch like your Teflon frying pans. And I've used one already this week since Christmas. Great. You know, it really does what it says. It doesn't scratch the top of my stovetop at all. There was some burnt on, you know, something spilled over out of one of the pots, and I took this out. Wonderful. It just, no effort at all to take it off. So if you can find these, I wish I knew the name. I threw the tag out, but they're really cool. I'll see if there's a link online. I got it at a Canadian store, so I don't know. They must be on Amazon somewhere. If I can find it, I'll leave the link below for you. Lovely. So going back to cleaners and talking about my stovetop, as you can guess, I have a glass stovetop, which can be a pain to keep clean, but using the sponge or the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, I also use this Weiman glass cooktop cleanser, and it really does a nice job. I really like it. It really helps to cut the grease and grime off the top, especially when I use one of those sponges I just showed you, or just a damp cloth with this. Really does a nice job. So I love this for my cooktop. Now and I have used this on my cooktop as well, but I do use it for my sink and, you know, maybe for spills on my granite or whatever, in my bathroom, on the sinks, everywhere, is this Barkeeper's Friend. And I just found it in the soft cleanser. I did have the powder kind, but I like the soft cleanser. I find it gentler, like on my stainless steel sink or whatever. It works really well, and I really do like it. It really gets everything nice and clean and shiny, and this is another favorite. So I haven't been using it very long, but I will continue to use this in 2018. So the last one is I have two secret ingredients. I have a lot of wood floors in my house, and I have two secret ingredients for keeping them clean. And one of them is this Pledge wood floor cleaner. We have tried a lot of wood floor cleaners since we've been in this house for 13 years, but we always keep coming back to this one. It just seems to do the trick. It just makes the floors shine and sparkle and doesn't leave a film. We really love this. So the second secret ingredient to my clean floors is my husband. He cleans the floors and he loves doing it. And he does a phenomenal job with them. I will dust and vacuum them, but he actually cleans them, washes them. And he loves doing that, and he does a great job. And he loves this stuff. This is the only stuff he'll use now. He has his own little system of doing it, and I'm happy to let him do it. So I will continue to use this in 2018. So I hope you enjoyed this video of my favorite cleaning products, and ones from 2017 that'll be following me into 2018. They do all kinds of different things, and they help me to keep my house looking and smelling its best, as best I can. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and you'll subscribe by hitting that red button below before you leave and become a diva. I'd love to have you join me. And comments, questions, suggestions are always welcome below. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.